Oh, wow. I mean, I should stop starting this room with a B up. I guess that's not very smart. Oh. Okay, that's good. Strats, go. Nice. Come on. Yes! Oh my god, nice. Yay, we got it. What? No way, there's a gold room. I never checked. No. Wait, what? I hope it's... No, come on. Oh, it's gameplay. It's actual gameplay. No. Okay. Okay. At least I can see where the things go. Come on, please. Okay, you go here. You go on the block. Then you jump, you dash, you fall on the crystal, then you dash again into the block. Jump. Go on this. It crumbles. You dash in the bubble, you dash up twice, then you get on this ledge, and you jump to the left wall, you grab the crystal, right up, and then, okay, you have a dash, so you go right again, up, Wait, when you go up into the last dream block, do you go right after? And is it enough to get above this? I think you go up once, and then you just hold right, and then you do right, jump, and dash into the crystal. Okay. I'm kinda shaky. Wait. Okay, let's do it again. Go on the block, jump, dash into it. Then on this, in the bubble, dash twice up, grab the small wall, go to the big wall, crystal right up, fall, right up, hold right, and then dash into it. Okay. Why did I not check if there was a golem room? Yes! Nice! Okay. That's very good to get now. Okay. There you go! Oh, I didn't even know there was a golem room. I didn't even look at anything. That's cool. There you go. Finally. I got 4 deaths to the last screen. Nice! This map is so cool. I kinda got bullied with my luck, but this map is very fucking cool. So like there's the B-side time, so I think it was like 16 something, 16, 15. 16, 15. Oh my god, I'm so... okay. Yes! Yes, dude, okay. That's good. That was very cool.